Introducing AREM augmented reality-enabled training and aircraft maintenance, a cutting-edge solution revolutionizing aviation training and maintenance. Seamlessly integrating advanced virtual reality and augmented reality technology, AREM enhances technical skills and deepens understanding of aircraft systems through interactive experiences. The system supports self-learning and supervised training, facilitating daily inspection training for first-line and second-line activities. Technicians can perform complex repairs while instructors track and evaluate performance in real time. With augmented and virtual reality, users explore essential components and line replaceable units, or LRUs, through immersive training techniques. From engine diagnostics to system repairs, AREM delivers real-time data and step-by-step visual guidance for precise procedure execution. Designed to minimize downtime and enhance safety, it eliminates guesswork, making training and maintenance more efficient. Transforming the aviation industry, AREM is the future of aircraft training and maintenance. Visit our website and contact Oxygen to Innovation today.